Today, we have had exciting news for Samsung fans worldwide. The Samsung Galaxy A55 5G and Galaxy A35 are officially here, and they're bringing some impressive features to the mid-range segment. Let's start with the displays. Both the Galaxy A55 and A35 feature stunning 6.6-inch Super AMOLED panels with a crisp resolution of 1080 2340 pixels and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, offering an immersive viewing experience. Powering these devices is a robust 5000 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging support, ensuring you stay powered up throughout the day. Samsung has also introduced its new Key Island design language, giving these phones a sleek and modern aesthetic. Under the hood, the Galaxy A55 5G is powered by the Exynos 1480 SoC with an AMD RDNA 2-base Clips 530 GPU, offering smooth performance. It comes with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, while the Galaxy A35 is equipped with the Exynos 1380 chipset, offering efficient performance with options for up to 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. Now, let's talk cameras. The Galaxy A55 boasts a versatile camera setup, including a 32-megapixel front-facing camera and a rear setup with a 50-megapixel main shooter, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A35 features a 13-megapixel front camera and a rear setup with a 50-megapixel main shooter, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 5-megapixel macro unit. Security is a top priority, with both devices debuting Samsung Knox Vault for enhanced data protection. Samsung promises 4 years of major OS updates and 5 years of security patches for both devices, ensuring longevity. In terms of pricing, the Galaxy A55 starts at €480 for the base variant, while the Galaxy A35 starts at €380, making them both compelling options in the mid-range segment. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G and Galaxy A35 offer impressive features, performance, and value for money, making them worthy contenders in the mid-range smartphone market. Are you excited about these new additions to Samsung's lineup? Let us know in the comments below.